What's up, guys? Welcome back to my second video. Sorry about the background. We got a puppet. We're gonna be putting Simon puppet on each spool. So we're gonna make these little balls. If you want to do it with me, you could pause the video. So we're gonna get one little ball. So it could be whatever size. It doesn't have to be homemade or have another one. So we're just gonna keep doing it. And yeah, so a little bit more. And tomorrow when I go to summer camp, aka my mom's job, I'm gonna be going to the museum. We're like almost halfway. I think there's a faster way to do it. Yeah, I am halfway done. I'm gonna show you the final products. I'm finished because it's gonna take kind of a while, Just because the some background song. I don't know. Whatever song you want to put, rock star, that song. Depends what song. I don't really care. I just wanted to fit, Could be a soccer song. I'm a really big fan of soccer. Not this team. I love other teams. I love other teams, I like some teams that make players that play. Finished. It's pretty cool with the light. Now it's gonna stretch this, You know those erasers that play? Yeah, just like that. Couldn't break.
Yep, you're talking like 25K, my guy. You're really gonna try and work out if you have 300 dollars. Just give it. Okay. Wow, this is so bougie, right? I don't work there.
Oh, there's a real hole.
If he says,
I got blue.
I think someone said 25, I'll give you that 3K. Yes. I'm actually so pissed right now because I'm flying out of that, so I feel so bad for you.
So hard to do. So first we have to stretch a little. I'm trying to stretch it and put it over it, so after it could cover it, right? So after we could do the other side, and after it's satisfying to pop. But yeah. So right now we're trying to do the shape to do it. Well, not really a circle shape. We're just trying to, make it. Just gonna start from here. Alright, so start stretching it. Never. Stretch and that. No, but I want it to be see-through, cause how about we do a half of it first, and then we do the half, so it could be easier. Excuse me. Well, maybe not half, but yeah, maybe the whole thing. You never know how long, because we want it to out the same. This is how it looks. How I wanted it. But it has a hairy. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, it's like a little blurry. I don't know. Kind of getting the sun. There you go. This one. Yeah, drip it. Freaking broke. No, in the bottom. Yo. Sound like that. I'm gonna take it off carefully. And now I'm gonna like fold it like a burrito. Put some. And I can like cook it. And a couple minutes and that's it. Not that big, but make sure it fits the burrito. At least. Ta-da! Here's your meal. If you want to be shouted out, well, subscribe, hit the like button, and then hit the bell so you can see every single video that I post. See you in my next video. Bye.